Hi student, this video is about circle. Okay, based on definition, a circle is a set of points in a plane that have the same distance from a fixed point. So our fixed point here is center, represented by point H, K, and then we have a point P, X, Y. So the distance from C to P actually refer to radius, or we call as a radius. Okay, here we have center equal to HK, point HK, and then radius represented by R, and this radius actually refer to distance from C to P, and then 2R actually equal to diameter. The formula for distance represented by R equal to square root X minus H square plus Y minus K square. Okay, next it's about equation of circle. We have two type of equation. The first one is in standard form. Okay, this equation in standard form actually come from equation of distance. So in standard form, we have x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square, where r square refer to diameter. So square root r square equal to radius. And then we have general form. Okay, how to get the general forms from standard form? You just need to expand. You expand standard form, you get general form. But how to write from general form to standard form? Okay, we need to perform completing the square. So you need to remember that from standard form to general form, you just need to expand, and then from general form, how to write in standard form, you need to perform completing the square. Okay, now let's move to example. Example number 1. Okay, how to find the radius and center if we have the standard form of a circle. For example, we have x plus 5 square plus y minus 1 square equal to 4. So from this standard form, we can find center and radius. So based on standard form, general standard form, we have x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So center actually equal to h k. So equal to h equal to negative 5 and k equal to 1. And then here is actually refer to r square. So radius r square equal to 4. So r equal to 2. R equal to square root 4 equal to 2. This is how we find the radius and center if we have a standard form of a circle. Okay, number 2. If we have the general form of circle, that is x square minus 14x plus y square plus xy plus 40 equal to 0. This one is general form. Okay, how to write this equation in standard form, and you want to sketch the circle. So from general form to standard form, we need to perform completing the square. Okay, for this equation, that is equation of circle, we have two variable x and y. So we need to perform completing the square for both variable x and y. The first condition, we need to check that coefficient of x and y must be equal to 1. Okay, next, for variable x equal to x square minus 14x, and then plus, we have b negative 14 over 2 square minus negative 14 over 2 square, and then for y plus y square plus xy plus x over 2 square minus x over 2 square, and then we have last term plus 40 equal to 0. Okay, for the first three term, actually we can write x, and then this bracket just simplify. We have negative 14 over 2 equal to negative 7. So minus 7 here square. Okay, the fourth term, we have negative, and then you need to simplify and square. If you simplify this equal to negative 7 and square equal to negative 49, and then plus, okay, for variable y, the first three term actually equal to plus y, and then if you simplify this, x over 2 equal to 4, no needs to square, so positive 4 square, and then you solve this one. We have negative sign here, so negative x over 2 equal to 4, and then square equal to 16, and then last term we have plus 40 equal to 0, and then we can bring constant to right hand side, so we get x minus 7 square plus y minus y plus 4 square equal to, okay, 49 plus 16 minus 40, and simplify this, x minus 7 square plus y plus 4 square equal to, get here 25. So from here we have center equal to HK, means 7 and negative 4, and then radius, this one is r square, so square root 25 equal to 5. Okay, from this, how we want to sketch the circle. So we have center equal to 7 negative 4, and then we have radius equal to 5, r equal to 5, this is C. You need to label, so we have point here, 4 point here. Okay, so this is horizontal point. If we move to the right, means 7 plus 5, this one 7 plus 5, so we get 12 negative 4, and then move to the left, means 7 minus 5, we get 2 negative 4, and then this one for vertical line, we have 7, and then negative 4 plus 5 equal to 1, and then if we move down, 7 negative 4 minus 5 negative 9. This is how we sketch a circle. Okay, next example, how to write the equation of circle if we have center equal to -3 1 and we have point equal to -1 4. If we have these two information, how we want to write the equation of the circle. So for this information, actually we have center here -3 1 and then point -1 4. So to write the equation of circle, we need to know the radius. So radius actually refer to this distance from C to P. So distance, we can use formula distance square root x minus h square plus y minus k square. Square root. So x minus h, -1 plus 3 square plus y 4 minus 1 square equal to square root 2 square plus 3 square equal to square root 4 plus 9 equal to square root 13. So we have r equal to square root 13. So the standard form equation of circle, we have x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So we have x minus h, we have h equal to -3, so plus 3 square plus, and then y minus 1 square equal to, so r square, we have r equal to square root 13, so square we have 13. This in standard form. Okay, thank you.